Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to Top Tech Trends. Today, we're diving into the world of wearable tech to bring you the top 5 Garmin watches of 2024. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, these watches are sure to elevate your performance. You can buy these watches from the links that are given in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Garmin Forerunner 965. The Garmin Forerunner 965 is a multisport masterpiece, but let's be honest, it's not just another sports watch. It's a statement piece for your wrist, a vibrant AMOLED display bursting with data and color. Ditch the phone charger, this beast can last for weeks, fueled by GPS adventures and sunshine through its solar lens. Training, it's got your back, and legs and arms. Advanced metrics analyze your every stride, cadence and breath, tailoring workouts to push you past plateaus. Need a coach? Pace Pro whispers in your ear, guiding you to crush race goals. Feeling sluggish? The morning report tells you if your body's up for a HIIT session or a nap. Trust me, I've needed both. But it's not just sweat and glory. The 965 is your wellness wingman. Sleep tracking dissects your slumber, stress alerts remind you to breathe, and body battery tells you when to refuel. Music, maps, Garmin Pay? Check, check, check. It's your life on your wrist, ready to navigate the gym, the grocery store, and that epic mountain trail. Sure, it's pricey and the battery takes a hit with that gorgeous screen, but if you're serious about fitness or just crave a techie companion that elevates every run, swim, and spin, the Forerunner 965 is more than just a watch. It's an investment in your health, your goals, and maybe even your bragging rights. Just don't blame me when you become the data-obsessed friend, tracking your steps to the fridge and analyzing your sleep like a pro. You've been warned. Number 4. Garmin Forerunner 745. Strapped to your wrists, the Forerunner 745 isn't just a watch. It's a silent cheerleader, a training partner, and a data-driven coach all rolled into one. It's lighter than its predecessor, a featherweight champion that hugs your wrist through marathons and HIIT sessions alike. Forget clunky screens, the 745 boasts a sharp, clear display that throws your pace, heart rate, and every stat you crave into vivid focus. Running's its forte though. Advanced metrics dissect your form, cadence, and even ground contact time, whispering insights to shave seconds off your next PB. Pace Pro is your secret weapon, a virtual pacer urging you on, mile after mile, towards that coveted finish line. Feeling lost? Preloaded maps guide you through unfamiliar streets, while breadcrumb navigation ensures you never get left in the dust, literally. But the 745 isn't a one-trick pony. Swim laps, conquer climbs, spin your wheels. It tracks it all with Garmin's trademark accuracy. Recovery days, it's on top of that too, analyzing your sleep, stress levels, and body battery to tell you when to push and when to pamper yourself. Music on the go? Garmin Pay at the checkout. Yep, it's got your back, and your wallet. Sure, the battery life might make endurance athletes blink, and the lack of fancy touchscreen controls might feel retro. But for serious runners and multisport enthusiasts who crave in-depth analysis and a sleek, comfortable companion, the 745 shines. It's not just a watch, it's a gateway to unlocking your athletic potential, one precise stride at a time. Just be prepared to become the friend who analyzes their sleep like a pro and regales everyone with their VO2 max stats. You've been warned. Number 3. Garmin Venue 3. The Venue 3 isn't just a pretty face, although let's be real, it is. This smartwatch juggles style and smarts with the grace of a Cirque du Soleil performer. AMOLED fireworks explode on the vibrant display, showcasing stunning animations and personalized watch faces that'll turn heads at the gym or the gala. And don't think this beauty queen is a lightweight. It packs a punch of health and fitness features that put some dedicated trackers to shame. Your heart rate dances across the screen as you conquer HIIT routines or crush yoga poses. Advanced sleep tracking tells you if you're a sleep ninja or a restless dreamer, while stress alerts remind you to breathe when life throws you curveballs, pun intended for those Peloton classes. Worried about recovery? Body battery gives you the lowdown on when to fuel up and when to chill, ensuring you never overtrain that stunning physique. But the Venue 3 isn't all sweat and stats. It's your social butterfly on your wrist. Music keeps you pumped during workouts, while Garmin Pay lets you ditch the wallet for that post-gym smoothie. Got calls ringing in? Answer them on the watch. Need directions? Built-in maps guide you like a pocket-sized Magellan. And when you're done conquering the day, stylish watch faces transform it into your evening accessory, ready to dazzle at dinner or drinks. Sure, it might not have the battery life of its solar-powered siblings, and the touchscreen controls can be a bit finicky sometimes. But if you crave a smartwatch that's as fashionable as it is functional, a health tracker that doesn't look like a clunky brick, and a companion that elevates your every step and swipe, the Venue 3 is your match made in tech heaven. Just be prepared to become the friend who tracks their sleep like a pro and answers calls on their wrist. You've been warned, but trust me, you won't want to. Number 2. Garmin Phoenix 7 Pro. Forget flimsy smartwatches. The Phoenix 7 Pro is a titanium tank strapped to your wrist, built for adventures that make lesser watches whimper. This beast boasts a battery that lasts at chargers, fueled by sunbeams thanks to its solar lens. Go weeks without plugging in, conquering mountains and marathons while your phone gathers dust. But it's not just about endurance. The Phoenix 7 Pro is a data playground, dissecting your every move with surgeon-like precision. Advanced metrics analyze your form, stride, and even the way you breathe, whispering insights to push you past plateaus. Need a coach whispering in your ear? Pace Pro guides you like a virtual Sherpa, mile after grueling mile, towards that coveted finish line. Lost in the wilderness? Preloaded maps and multi-GNSS support ensure you never get left in the dust. Literally. This isn't a one-trick pony though. Dive into icy depths. Conquer climbs taller than your ego. Spin your wheels on dusty trails. The Phoenix 7 Pro tracks it all with Garmin's trademark accuracy. Feeling wiped after that epic adventure? It analyzes your sleep, stress levels, and even your body battery, telling you when to refuel and when to pamper yourself with a hot cocoa by the fire. Sure, the price tag might make your wallet wince, and the buttons might feel retro in a touchscreen world. But for serious adventurers and multisport enthusiasts who crave in-depth analysis and a bomb-proof companion, the Phoenix 7 Pro is more than just a watch. It's a passport to unlocking your potential, one precise stride, paddle stroke, or heartbeat at a time. Just be prepared to become the friend who analyzes their sleep like a pro and regales everyone with their VO2 max stats. You've been warned? Number 1. Garmin Epix Pro. The Epix Pro isn't just a smartwatch, it's a statement piece for your wrist. A vibrant AMOLED display explodes with data and color, boasting a week-long battery that lasts at chargers thanks to sneaky sun sipping through its sapphire lens. Ditch the phone, this beauty's got its own maps, music, and Garmin Pay ready to navigate the gym, the grocery store, and that epic mountain trail. But it's not just about looks. The Epix Pro is a data playground for athletes, dissecting your every move with surgeon-like precision. Advanced metrics analyze your form, stride, and even the way you breathe, whispering insights to shave seconds off your next PB. Need a virtual coach? Pace Pro whispers in your ear, guiding you to crush race goals. Feeling lost? Preloaded maps and multi-GNSS support ensure you never get left in the dust. Literally. This isn't a one-trick pony though. Dive into icy depths, conquer climbs, spin your wheels on dusty trails. The Epix Pro tracks it all with Garmin's trademark accuracy. Feeling wiped after that epic adventure? It analyzes your sleep, stress levels, and even your body battery, telling you when to refuel and when to pamper yourself with a hot cocoa by the fire. Sure, the price tag might make your wallet wince, and the battery takes a hit with that gorgeous screen. But if you're serious about fitness or just crave a techie companion that elevates every run, swim, and spin, the Epix Pro is more than just a watch. It's an investment in your health, your goals, and maybe even your bragging rights. Just don't blame me when you become the data-obsessed friend, tracking your steps to the fridge and analyzing your sleep like a pro. You've been warned. And there you have it, our top 5 Garmin watches for 2024. Whether you're a fitness fanatic or simply looking for a smartwatch to complement your lifestyle, Garmin has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay active and stay connected.